How to clean and wash pesticides from your fruits and vegetables. Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. Believe it or not, there are synthetic chemicals within most of the fruits and vegetables that we consume every day. Also known as pesticides, they're used by farmers to keep bugs and pests away from their crops. However, the chemicals leave a residue or coating on the fruit and vegetables. More often than not, the buildup can't be seen without a scientific microscope or magnifying glass, or the pesticides are located inside of the fruit. Despite the fact that we can't see the buildup, we are still consuming it. An excessive amount of these chemicals can negatively affect our health. If the fruit and vegetables are eaten raw, without appropriately being washed, you are ingesting synthetic substances. This is significant because pesticides can cause cancer in some situations. They can likewise harm your nervous and reproductive systems. They can even be the cause of birth deformities when consumed by pregnant women. It is critical to note where you are buying your fruits and leafy foods from and what types of chemicals, if any, that farmers use. Whenever the situation allows, buy organic products so that you know no pesticides were utilized on your produce. In any case, if you choose to buy organic or not, it's still important to properly clean your fruit and vegetables to remove any residue buildup. You will discover some all-natural ways to clean foods grown from the ground. These natural tips can be used at home, will make you feel healthier, increase your life expectancy, and lower your risk of disease. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar is one of the most remarkable ingredients that helps kill germs and pesticides from fruits and vegetables. First, fill your sink or a bowl with water and pour in 1 cup of white vinegar. Rinse the fruit and vegetables in this solution. Once finished, place the fruit and vegetables in a clean bowl. They are now ready to be eaten. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda assists with removing the unsafe pesticides and chemicals from fruit and vegetables. Add 4 to 5 glasses of water to a big bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak the fruit and vegetables in this arrangement. Wait 15 minutes and then remove the fruit and vegetables from it and then wipe them dry. After these steps are completed, it'll be safe to eat your healthy food. 3. Turmeric water. As we've previously mentioned on our channel, turmeric is a spice that works as an antibacterial. This means that it can kill germs and other harmful substances. Add 5 teaspoons of turmeric powder to a bowl of hot water. Add your fruits and vegetables to the turmeric water. Rinse them in the turmeric water. Transfer the fruits and vegetables to a bowl of clean water. Wipe them dry. Your fruits and vegetables are now safe to eat. 4. Salt. Salt is a notable compound seen all over the world. It comes in several forms. Rock salt and ground salt kills pesticides rapidly. Put 1 cup of salt in a bowl of clean water. Add the fruit and vegetables to the salt solution. Allow them to absorb in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the salt water and add fresh water to the bowl. Rinse off the fruit and vegetables in clean running water for a few seconds before consuming. The hacks in this video should get rid of most of the pesticides left over from the chemicals farmers may use. These methods allow you to clean your fruit and vegetables at home. To go the extra mile, peel the skin off fruits like oranges before performing these tasks because these are locations where the pesticides tend to cling onto and linger. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. Check out the description for our recommended products for overall health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.